Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing hardware and files so the process won't stall. First, verify your laptop's firmware and CPU support virtualization and 64-bit operation. That matters for boot. Once confirmed, make a Mac OS USB installer of at least 16 GB and verify the image checksum so you avoid corrupted media. Also create a full Windows backup and an external copy of your data. Make sure you can restore if the install overwrites partitions. Now proceed to firmware access and partitioning. Next, you resize the Windows partition and create space for Mac OS. Aim for at least 50 GB for a usable system. Once done, prepare and install a compatible bootloader like OpenCore, configured for your specific motherboard and CPU. This is critical for device initialization. Then boot the Mac OS installer from USB, load required kexts for Ethernet, audio, SATA, and power management, and run the installer to the new partition. Make sure to watch logs for missing drivers or kernel panics. Finally, you complete post-install steps to make Mac OS stable. Fine-tune OpenCore settings, set correct SMBIOS and serial data, and install final kexts for graphics and power management so sleep and display work reliably. Then reset NVRAM, enable trim for NVMe or SATA SSD, and validate software updates. If something breaks, boot in verbose or safe mode, inspect kernel logs, and replace or disable suspect kexts. Make incremental changes and test after each tweak to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.